Start like you mean it. Start like you don't want me to kill myself. Exactly. Act.
Knock yourself. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. One day you're on the knock yourself. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. One day you're on the corner. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. One day you're on the corner. Knock yourself. One day you're on the corner. Knock yourself. Because it's not the apple for you. You know me say you can fail your man.
If I'm going to invest in you, I want to make sure that you are in the spirit. The song is good, but your performance is poor for right now, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Can I come in this way?
Yeah, go ahead.
Because I believe this is my constituency.
Exactly.
As a producer and director, I believe you. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. I think the atmosphere matters a lot. Because she's listening to the sound from her phone.
Yes.
I wish this sound had been able to be boosted to a big speaker.
Okay, we'll do everything possible.
Give her the...
We'll do everything possible. We'll come back. Okay, yes.
Thank you.
Well, it's on YouTube. Play it on YouTube. Play it on YouTube and connect. Yeah, play it from YouTube. All right, everyone. Day 6. Dr. Kado 40. We have Uwadiva over here, beautiful Edo sister who loves to sing. And I think that we can support her music.
Oh, yeah.
We can share, we can like her page, we can do something, you know.
Yes.
Doing it alone is not easy, and that's why we are doing this, to help her promote. Go and play it on YouTube. Go and plug it. Don't kill yourself, you see that. Yeah. Please, everyone, if you are watching this from any part of the world, I need you to support our sister. If you see a video on her, share it. You never know who's going to listen. Yeah. Share it to your contact list. Share it to your WhatsApp. Let's promote our own, right? So that's what we're going to do today. And last video we did, for the very first time, she had 15,000 views. And yes, 15,000 persons saw that video.
For that.
Yes, please.
It's not easy.
It's not 15,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, very first time she will do a video with me. So this is going to be the second video. Please, kindly share. Plate. So whatever, like I discussed with you this afternoon, you have to make sure that I don't kill myself with your voice. Yeah, you have to make call. You have to be dramatic. Yes, sir. Let me say don't kill myself. Don't kill myself. You have to make me feel like I don't want to kill myself, right?
Yes.
That's the part. That's the music.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, day 7, Kado 40. After tomorrow, we're going to take it all over to Lagos. A very good friend of mine is hosting a pool party Tuesday or Wednesday at VGC. It's going to be a shutdown, another shutdown in Lagos. From Lagos, we're going to take you all the way to Liberia. What are you doing? DJ.
Knock yourself. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. One day you're on the mama. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. One day you're on the mama. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. Knock yourself. One day you're on the mama. Knock yourself.
don't kill ourselves. For your matter, I'll kill myself. I don't die. Alright, that is Wadiva. We are planning a listening party for her right here at Kado Lounge. Let's support our brand, guys. She's doing an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. And I believe that in the near future, you are going to be a big star. Now, I'll let you one for a Edo State. I beg. When you click, cut the music. Cut that music for me. And it's important that the whole world hear this as well. And for those of you who are here, yes, for those of you who are here tonight and not already aware, it is important that I tell you this story. And those persons watching us, we have over 500 viewers right now in our Facebook. Those persons watching us, it's important that you know, Odion Osagie is the only Edo man in history who took a disabled young boy from the streets.
Yes.
That was given 10 million naira by the governor. It's not easy.
Yes.
It's not easy.
Yes.
I did that. I made a star. But the only problem is that they did not give me the resources to be able to manage the boy. By now, Rosalie would have been known all over the world.
Yes.
With 10 million naira, I could have changed his life. Rosalie lived with me for over 2 years. I did not spend 2 million naira promoting him, doing his music, I did not spend 2 million naira for over 2 years. So imagine what 10 million naira could have done for Rosalie. But never to give up. We have a big dream to create God-sent entertainment, and may God continue to bless each and every one of us who believe in entertainment.
Yes.
Listen, man, I traveled to Hollywood in California. California was built on entertainment. At some point, the governor of California was an actor, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah.
He's an actor living in California, but he became a governor. So look, entertainment can solve 50% of our problems, because in entertainment we have the fashionistas, we have the makeup artists, we have the choreographers. So please, Nigerian, let's focus on entertainment and help our people. Congratulations in advance. I'm proud of you, okay? Come on. Yeah, that's so good. We don't see change and say, I too welcome. So if I do that problem, I go hug. Don't say I hug.
Permit me.
That's what the both of you.
Now they listen to matter. They must say something.
Something must be said.
Yeah.
Being a popular person is a big problem.
It's a problem, of course.
I swear, I don't think in my next life I don't want to be popular. I want to
No, you can't say.
I don't want to be. It's a problem.
No, you can't say that. Listen to me. You were created for a purpose.
Yes, exactly.
And that purpose, I love the theme of your birthday. Birthday
with a purpose. Yes.
So you should know that you were created for a purpose.
Sure, I appreciate that.
So you don't have you don't have even the power to say I will not be this.
It's true anyway.
It's only a great person that God will give that responsibility to. Not just anybody.
You're right.
Listen, my brother, you see, I want to tell you one thing. I came in, you are shouting visited, and you see one or two persons.
Sure.
For the few time I have launched this initiative of celebrating and sustaining our Edo language.
Yes.
I know what God is really doing with that.
Of course.
You understand? So if God said start this journey, who are you to say
it has not been an easy journey, bro. That's
I'm not being. I have created a scene in rehab here.
Yes.
Just because I want to say I'm the Benima.
Yes.
There's a segment they call Rap Your Language.
Yes.
They will play the music for like 10 minutes of it. So then if the Igbo people there, they will get up and dance and everything.
Oh, okay.
They will stop it and play on that tribe.
Yes.
They were playing it, Yoruba others, until they played Benin language, which was influenced Akaba music. Somebody shouted, remove this